Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to give you a quick tutorial on how to purchase drop-in days for extended care in the Alpine Union School District. To get started, you first want to be on the appropriate registration portal. If you're watching this video, it's likely that you've already been provided this address, but if not, you'll find the address in the description of this video below. Next, you'll just need to click on the Show Sessions button for either AM or PM. Then you'll be shown two sessions, one for each campus: Creekside Early Learning Center and Boulder Oaks Elementary School. Now please be sure to click on the Add to Cart button that's associated with the campus your child will be attending. Now, this is very important. If you're unsure, pause this video now and contact Lindsay at lwalker@alpineschools.net, and she'll be happy to let you know which campus your child needs to attend for extended care. After clicking on Add to Cart for the appropriate campus, you'll be shown your child profiles. Now, if your child's not listed here, just click on the Add a Student button to create a new profile for them. To choose drop-in dates for your child, click on the Add Drop-ins next to your child's name and click on the dates you need. And once you're done, click on the Save button below. If you need to purchase drop-in days for another child, click on the Add Drop-ins button next to their name and repeat the process as you did for your other child. Now, if you need to purchase extended care for a different time of day, then just close these windows to get back to the registration portal view and click on Show Sessions for that program. Then you just need to pick the drop-in days needed for that time of day. And once you're all done choosing your drop-in days, click the Checkout button to continue. Now, I just want to pause here for a moment. If you've not yet paid the Alpine Union School District registration fee for this school year, then you want to add this item to your cart before continuing to checkout. And again, just be sure to choose the appropriate campus and for the appropriate child that you're registering. Now, you only need to pay this fee once per year per child, so if you've already paid it, then you don't need to worry about this part. Now, at step 1 of the checkout process, please use this page to verify the details of your order. You want to make sure you've chosen the correct campus and drop-in days for each time of day for each child. Now, if you need to make any last-minute changes, you can use the Edit Drop-in Dates button right here. Now, once everything looks correct, you can click Continue to Step 2. Now, Step 2 is where you edit and update your child profiles. Now, click the student profile you want to complete first and fill in any missing required information. Now, basically, you want to make sure that each tab has a green check mark on it. And as you complete one tab, be sure to click Save and Continue to move on to the next. Now, once you've completed a profile, you can choose the next profile to complete. And just note, you can always edit and update your child's profile later on by clicking your email address at the top right corner and then click on Edit Students from the menu. Now, once all your child profiles have green check marks on them, you can click Continue to Step 3. At Step 3, you'll have another opportunity to verify that the details of your order are correct. But if you need to make corrections, you can use the back button at the bottom of the page. But if everything looks good, you can fill in your credit card details and then click the pink Place Order button. Now, once your order's been processed, you'll be shown a confirmation page to let you know that your payment's been made and your child's been added to the roster for extended care. You'll also receive a confirmation email with all the details of your order. And if at any time you have questions or run into any issues, please feel free to contact our support team by clicking the blue Help button right here. If we're not online, you can leave us a message. Otherwise, you'll be able to contact a live member of our team who will be happy to help you out. You can also email us at any time at support@sixcrickets.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful and you have a great day. Bye for now.